Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominique Davis, also known as Round Bendy, and here on this channel we practice flexibility of the mind, the body, and the spirit. Today we are going to be talking about mindfulness and how to slow our thought process down so we can actually make conscious decisions about what we choose to think about. So here's the thing. Mindfulness is something that needs to be developed. We live in a society where we can consume information from anywhere at any time. We can consume information from the television, from the internet, from other people. We can just hear noise whenever we feel like it. And if you're prone to anxiety and depression, you have a very proactive and protective brain. What our brain naturally does is it holds on to information regarding things that could be a threat or regarding things that could be linked to trauma and things that we are afraid of because it thinks it's protecting us. So when we hold on to all of these things that we've heard and learned, if we're not being mindful, we don't necessarily take the time to figure out which of these thoughts serve us. We kind of just hold them and hoard them and just keep them all inside of our brain. Our thoughts create reality. And if you are into law of attraction, you understand that our thoughts and the frequency of our thoughts are directly associated with the frequency of our reality and what we're living in everyday life. So if we have a bunch of crap from every direction coming at us, and we just choose to believe it and live by it, then our conditioning is creating our reality. By slowing down your thought process, you're giving yourself an opportunity to say, hey, hold on, I don't agree with that. I agree with this. We all have a higher self. We all have an inner being that knows, that is the essence of us. It is the essence of our personality. So this inner being will be able to answer all the questions of what you do believe and what you don't believe. Don't worry. The hard part is slowing down enough to ask. My suggestion, my baby's waking up, so I'm going to wrap this up. My suggestion for slowing your thought process down is definitely meditation. Meditation is at the top of my list. It teaches you to push everything out of your mind and to be still, so that you can do some spring cleaning and decide what you want to let back in. Okay, I'm gonna go get my baby because he's awake and he's ready to experience life himself. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. I do hope that you were able to get something from it and really understand the danger of, just living by your thoughts. Okay, I gotta go get him. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you next time.